day for that.
It really is a nice day. I wish I would have known it was so nice. I would have worn shorts, worn shorts.
あ、ソフィーの好きなジュエリーがあるよ。ねえ。これ見て、スノーブレイク可愛くない？
It's so hot.
暑すぎて。ソフィーの好きなアスレタに来てます。色綺麗けど、こういうのソフィー。あ、ダンス用に？こっちとちょっと違う？
これ持ってきてると。
黒がいいの？なんか他にこっちあったよ、色。黄色。黄色もあるよ。そっちがいい？
これタイト。タイトいる。
サイズ大丈夫？見て、ブルーもあるよ。
嫌だ。
ちょっと派手。派手やしね。うわ、すごい気持ちいい。それにする？
It's cute. Rough wear. So it's too big, especially for Momo. Lots of Hydro Flasks to choose from. Oh, those replacement weights. Hydro Flask is really popular.
Mine's so dented and the bottom is so dirty.
Your big one? Oh, let's order you a new smaller one online. Did I say again what? It's so big though. Why do you need one so big?
Yellow though.
This way.かわいいこのスカート。綺麗な色ね。あ、この T シャツもかわいい。この色綺麗。綺麗じゃないこの色。好きじゃないの？こっちがいい？あ、これもかわいい。あ、かわいくないこの T シャツ。好きじゃない？なんかソフィーにいいかなと思った。好きじゃない。
You touch that plate, you're gonna burn your finger. And then you won't be able to cook your camera.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm still giving you more.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not done with you. I'm gonna need a bigger lens. Okay, now I'm done with you guys.
Thanks again, we appreciate it.
What else can I bring you guys? Anything.
I think we're good.
Okay, I'll be running around, okay?
お、ソフィーの美味しそう。ステーキが乗ってる。なんかマインザラ。
It is a lot, yeah. It always is a lot. Dude, that steak looks really good.
で、こっちにトルティーヤ。
Let's eat.
オッケー。
Sorry. いただきます。
How is it?
Really good.
Good?
It's like a sour cream kind of spicy cream sauce. Really good.
美味しい？ミート、ミディアム。Maybe guacamole. Sour cream.
missing all the vegetables. You gotta get some vegetables in there.
Good thing now.
Good? Looks good. Man, all your steak and your vegetables look great.
あ、そうでしょ、ここきゅうりがあるよ。うん？
Is it okay if I just put the towels away and not put the clothes away?
うん。
Okay.
お水、ここにお水も少し。これかな。蜂蜜いきます。どのくらいかな。小さじ1ぐらいかな。蜂蜜入れて、よっとお醤油。お醤油も小さじ1ないぐらいかな。とだしパウダー。もうちょっと入れて混ぜます。でここにもう片栗粉も入れておきます。ちょっとはい、あ、ちょっと入れすぎたかな。はい、混ぜます。臭みを取ります。はい、多いです。ちょっと。ネギ、パウダーもちょっとだけ入れて混ぜていきます。練っていきます。ついてる。 もう She can't wait.
I know.
ねえ、もも。
Yeah, she's really bad. Once she hears it, it's like, whoa.
いや。She can't wait ね
I don't know. Well, Maple's like, I want to go outside. Back there. Okay, on the back. Okay, you guys want to go for a walk? Calm down, let's go. Oh my goodness.
え。バイバイ。
Bye.
はい。にマヨネーズと蜂蜜、砂糖でも OK です。蜂蜜入れて、はい、蜂蜜入れてレモン絞ります。はい、混ぜます。ハムも入れました。
Okay. You want to carry stuff over? You want to do drinks?
I want silverware.
装備黒いのと赤どっちがいい？黒いのと赤どっちがいい？ね、じゃあ卵をいっぱい入れておきます。
Which forks do you guys use?
Get us all small forks, please.
There's only one small fork.
Okay, big forks, please.
Well, baby fork I'm talking about.
いやもうミディアム。
Medium
Do
forks.
we need spoons?
シグ
Do we need spoons?
スプーン
Like the wooden
スプーン
spoons? I only see
Big
one.
spoons.
There's only one.
あっち昨日はあっちに入れちゃった。
Hello, hello, na na na.
ちょうど変えたんよ、場所を。
No, no.
場所をね変えたの。
What's a voice, Joe?
これかな。
Hello, hello, na na na.
OK。ブラックイズソフィーズ。
If you steal the black, I will.
ブラックイズソフィーズ。コーンもいっぱい入れました。
Still the black or what? Do you need it to that? So bad.
Hello, hello, mama.
Okay, black is daddy's. Got it.
I will stab you.
はい、OK。
Okay. Ready? And dinner is served.
Wow.
Looks good. I
いただきます。はい、ダディ。
That sounds so excited.
I'm just gonna eat rice in a minute.
ちょっと待ってください。ベリーハー。
You're so hungry you're eating the rice first without anything. That's funny.
はい、ソフさんください。
Thank you, babe.
はい、
You know Sophie's hungry when she's scarfing down just the rice, huh?
はい、どうぞ。熱いよ、すっごい熱いよ。You want
Okay, so
this?
yeah, oh, please, yes. Actually, I think I want that the most. Oh my goodness, babe. This shrimp gyoza is so good. Like wow, it's really awesome.
I love it too.
This is really good, actually.
Don't drop it on your sweater. Your sweater will die.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, very red. Wow. Lipstick. Is it like a pickle beets? Not pickle. It's really good.
Just a fresh beef. Actually, I boiled it in the wet beef.